Welcome back to Snowtastic. My name is Snow. Let's talk about light. So, what do we know about light? Well, one thing is for sure. Light helps us see. And as much as light complements darkness, darkness complements light also. So, there are a couple of things I want to talk to you about concerning light and regarding color. So, light makes us see color. Objects have color. Without light in a room, or when the room is completely pitch black, you don't see anything. You don't see a single color. But when light is introduced, you see the color of everything or every object. You see specific colors. And in that regard, I want to talk to you about the intensity of light. So light is cast or is spread at various intensities or wavelengths. And the brighter the lighter your color. And the dimmer the light, the darker your color. So you have a color. Let's pick red, for instance. And the color red on its own is its hue, right? And whenever you pick the color red and you add a little bit of white to it, that's called tinting a color. So you tint the color, and you can tint the color continuously until it becomes a kind of pink or a very faint red. And whenever you add a little bit of black to the color, it's called a shade. Do you get the picture? All right. So let's pick my face, for instance. This is not a red. This is a brown. So you have tints and shades of the brown on my face. Wherever the light hits, that is lighter is a tint of the color of my face or the complexion of my face. And wherever the light is not prominent is the shade of my face. Those are the areas you see that are kind of black. So talking about tint and shades, I also want to introduce something called color temperature or light temperature. You know what? I'll just show you. So we picked the color red. Before, when we had a white light, you could see my skin and my complexion was brown. And now that we have a red light introduced, you see the tint and shades of the red. The red light is what is the color that you see, is the prominent color, because that's the only color that is in the room at the moment. Boom. As short as this lesson was, I hope you picked something from it in relation to light and how it affects colors. It comes in handy to know the effect of light and how to shape, your light and how to make your images have a certain feel that you want or you need. And well, that's just why I introduced this lesson. It's just by the way, but we're here to learn, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Sayonara.